Stocks in focus: Zepto, HDFC Amc, Thyrocare, LG and Tata Communications. 1. Zepto's next big leap. Fresh fundraise paves the way for profitability, IPO launch. Quick commerce startup Zepto is set to close a fresh funding round at a $7 billion valuation, which could mark its final sprint towards profitability and a potential IPO. Quick commerce major Zepto is expected to close its latest funding round by the third week of October, according to sources familiar with the development. The round, estimated at around $500 million, will reportedly take the startup's valuation beyond $7 billion, nearly doubling its last reported figure. The fundraise comes at a crucial juncture for the Mumbai-headquartered firm, which has been preparing for a public listing since completing a reverse flip to India earlier this year. Zepto had initially planned to file its Draft Red Herring Prospectus DRHP in the first half of 2025 but decided to defer its IPO plans to focus on achieving profitability before hitting the markets. Sources now suggest that the company could revisit its IPO filing soon after this round closes. 2. HDFC Amc Q2 earnings, net profit rises 24%, board clears bonus issue. HDFC Asset Management Company Q2 earnings, revenue climbed 15.80% to Rs 1,027.40 crore in Q2 against Rs 887.21 crore in Q2 of the previous fiscal. HDFC Asset Management Company AMC reported a 24.60% rise in net profit for the September 2025 quarter. Profit after tax came at Rs 718.43 crore in Q2 against Rs 576.61 crore a year ago period. The board of the AMC approved and recommended bonus issue of shares in the ratio of 1:1. 1:1 i.e. 1 new fully paid up equity share of Rs 5, Rs 5 only each for every 1 existing fully paid up equity share of Rs 5. 3. LG Electronics India tops South Korean parent in gap after bumper debut, check targets. LG Electronics India IPO. The Indian arm of LG Electronics is valued more than its South Korean parent as market cap of LG's Indian arm has been above its parent. 3. Tata Communications Q2 earnings, net profit at Rs 183 crore, stock hits record high. Tata Communications shares rose 7% to hit a record high of Rs 2,000 on NSE. Market cap of the firm stood at Rs 55,272 crore. Tata Communications reported a 19% fall in profit after tax (PAT) for the second quarter of FY26. Profit fell to Rs 183.21 crore in the September 2025 quarter against Rs 227.27 crore in the year-ago period. Despite this decline in PAT, the company clocked a 6.5% increase in its revenue from operations, reaching Rs 6,099 crore, up from Rs 5,725.85 crore in the corresponding period of the previous year. On a sequential basis, PAT plummeted 3.64% from Rs 190.14 crore. 4. Thyrocare Technologies stock hits 52-week high on Q2 earnings, dividend, bonus shares updates. Thyrocare Technologies stock hit a 52-week high of Rs 1,470 against the previous close of Rs 1,264.60. Shares of Thyrocare Technologies zoomed 16% today after the healthcare services provider reported a 80% rise in the September quarter net profit. Bonus shares. The board has announced a bonus issue of shares in the ratio of 2:1. The record date to determine the eligibility of the shareholders set to receive the payment is yet to be announced. Interim dividend. The board has approved an interim dividend of Rs 7 per equity share for FY 2025-26. It has fixed Friday, October 24, 2025 as the record date for determining the eligibility of shareholders to receive the dividend. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.